Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to generate backups of your WordPress websites on Hostinger. Even if you have hosted multiple websites on your Hostinger account, on the single hosting account, then also you can selectively generate backup of any of those WordPress websites using this method. So make sure to watch this video till the end because we are going to cover each and everything, and sometimes this interface can be different, but the method which I'm going to show you is going to be same each and everywhere. So stay till the end and do not skip any part of this. Now you can see I am already logged into my Hostinger account, and on the left hand side we can see these tabs. We have to click on websites. So click on websites. On the right hand side you will get a list of all the websites which are hosted on your Hostinger account. In my case, I only have one website hosted on this account, but if you have multiple websites, then you will see a list of all those domains here. Now on the left hand side under websites, we have a tab WordPress. When you will click on this, now you can selectively see a list of only WordPress websites on the right hand side. So we have a domain here, and I'm going to use this domain to generate backup. But let's say you have multiple WordPress websites and you want to selectively take backup of any of those domains, or you can say website, then you have to click this button tools after that particular domain name. Like if you want to take backup of this domain from the list, then after that you have to click here, and then you have to click on File Manager. Click on File Manager. After coming to this page, File Manager, you can see here websites, then a domain, then files, and then manager. On the left hand side we can see few more options here. Now at the top we have this drop down menu, and from here also you can selectively choose any of the domain to generate backup. Now in my case I only have this option. So after selecting this domain, if I will scroll down, you can see under file we have File Manager, and then we have backups. If you do not see it, then click on this and click on backups. Once you are on backups, on the right hand side you will see these three options. First one is manage backups, then restore and download, then restore history. Under restore history, you will see the history whensoever you have restore your website using backups. Under restore and download, you have option to restore website from a backup, previous backup, or you can even download backup which you have generated. Now under restore and download, we have three options: website backup, then we have files backup selectively, then selectively you can generate backup of database if you individually want to generate only backup of database. So you have to choose this option. But for now, let's come to website backup. Now under website backup, we have this option backup and timestamps. Okay, you can see. So it is showing me list of all the backups which were earlier generated at a particular timestamp. Now what I can do, if let's say I am confirmed about this latest backup and I want to download this, so all I need to do, I have to select this, and on the right hand side either I can choose to restore website at this particular time frame, or I can use this option download website, and then it will send a link to my registered email ID, and from there I can download complete full backup of my website. So for now, let's cancel this. Second option is files backup. Now from same drop down, you can select anytime, and then you can download selectively only files. Next is database backup. Now, as you have selected this particular domain, so this will show the timestamp and database related to this website. Okay, so from here you can restore only database, or you can even download database if you want to. If you will click on this, it will show option that it is preparing database backup for download. Okay, now let's say we have this option manage backup. Under manage backups, we have this option. First of all, website backups. Okay, so the latest backup was generated on 21st of July. So it is automatic backup which is handled by Hostinger. So on daily basis, Hostinger take backup of your website. So you can directly come here and you can see here 21st of July 2026 at this timestamp 17:39. So I can directly download. Let's say I want to generate backup on the spot. Like I have logged in to my account and I want to generate backup instantly. So what I have to do, I have to use this option after coming to manage backups, create backup. Before clicking this, you have to make sure that Hostinger only allow you to generate manual backup once in 24 hours. Like if you will use this option for now, then only after 24 hours you will be able to again create backup manually. Okay. For now, let's say click on this create backup and click on continue, and it will start taking backup of your website. And after complete completion of this process, what you have to do, you have to come here again, restore and download. You have to select timestamp at what time you have used this option manual backup, and most of the times you will also be notified on your registered email ID that the backup process is completed and you can now download. Okay, so from here now this is disabled because the process of taking manual backup is undergoing here. But after completion of that process, from here you can select the timestamp and then you can simply download your website. Okay, so this way you can easily take backup of any WordPress website on Hostinger. You have to keep in mind that Hostinger allows you to take backup once in 24 hours if you will use that manual backup method, and they also take automatic backup on daily basis. You can take advantage of that option as well if you want to directly download the backup which was generated by Hostinger. So this way you can keep backup of your website locally on your PC or on your laptop, whatsoever, wherever you want to keep that. So this way you can easily take backups. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if it has worked for you, then make sure to leave a comment and let us know that this has helped you. So thank you for watching. See you next video.